In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to resize 2x2 picture in Canva. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a project from scratch that is 2x2, or how you can resize any pre-existing picture that you have. If you want to create a project from scratch, just click the option here, and instead of choosing one of these templates, go over to custom size. Now you are able to set the size in a variety of units. You can choose pixels, and I believe that most people will not want to do 2x2 pixels, but instead most people will want to do inches. You also have the option to do 2x2 millimeters and 2x2 centimeters. Choose whichever one you want to use. I'm going to use inches for this example. So just set the width and the height to 2, and now create a new design. Some of these will also be suggested because they will match the exact measurements that you chose. Once you have this good to go, load your image in. Now, as you can see, my image does not fit this perfectly. You can choose to stretch this if you prefer, or it is going to automatically crop once you drag it across the border. So as you can see, it crops the picture for me. Everything that is out of frame will not be used. You can resize it however you prefer. So as you can see, my picture is now filling the whole 2x2 square, and I can drag it around to get the perfect crop. I can zoom it in more if I want. And if you still want to change options related to this crop, just use this function here at the top. They have some presets like 1x1, 16x9, and so on, and you can even rotate it if you prefer. I recommend just using the mouse and dragging it around to fit your square that you've made. And like I said before, this is going to be 2x2. If you have a pre-existing image, it's as simple as clicking on it and then using the options here. You can resize it however you prefer, and all of these options will take effect immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to resize 2x2 picture in Canva. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.